Children make up 25% of our population in Alaska, but they're 100% of our future. They're our number one resource. The mission of the Alaska Children's Trust is to prevent child abuse and neglect. In other words, we want to see children, youth, and families thrive. When they thrive, the risk of child abuse and neglect is greatly reduced. We are a statewide organization based in Anchorage. We serve from the north to the southeast, from the west, and everything in between. We have been serving Alaskans' children, youth, and families since 1988. For nearly 35 years, we have focused on ensuring that children, youth, and families gain the knowledge, skills, supports, and resources to thrive. We have three key roles. We are a convener, a catalyst, and an advocate. As an advocate, we recognize that systems and/or laws can either prevent or perpetuate child abuse and neglect. We strive to ensure that they're always preventing. As a catalyst, we've invested over $9 million in communities across our state. We have supported parenting classes, cultural camps, out-of-school time programs, youth education, healthy relationships, a vast number of things that the communities have identified what would help them ensure that their children, youth are safe. And as a convener, we have bring partners together on various topics to discuss how we, as a state, as a community, can address core issues like youth mental health, childcare, early education, anything that may be impacting our children, youth, and families. Preventing child abuse and neglect is a complex issue. There's no single cause or solution. The work of the Children's Trust is widespread, but your investment, when an individual invests in our mission, it allows us to do many things. It allows us to educate the general public, parents, children, youth, and communities. Example of this is Pathways to Hope. It's a new program that we are working with communities in rural Alaska to have discussions of how they, as a community, want to see their children and youth grow up. How do they want to protect them from issues like child abuse and neglect? Your investment allows us to do the advocacy. Over the years, we've made great strides. We have seen an increase in investment in out-of-school time, which has allowed parents to return back to work, as well as ensure youth gain the protective factors and skills they need to grow into contributing adults in our community. Investments have also allowed us to achieve quality improvement and skill development. We work with individuals across the education sector, the pediatric sector, out-of-school time, legislators, anybody who comes into contact with children, youth, and families to ensure that they have the knowledge and skills to work with those individuals. An investment has also allowed us to recognize April as National Child Abuse and Neglect Prevention Month. It has allowed us to expand that month to ensure partners across the state are engaged, not just with our work, but more importantly with the members of their community to raise their awareness and knowledge. How can you and Hillcorp help us achieve our mission of preventing child abuse and neglect? Most importantly, be a caring adult in a child's life. Research shows when a child has an adult outside of their primary care providers in their life, it makes a world of difference. Please be active in your community and help create that environment, that safe, stable, and nurturing environment so children and youth can thrive. Also, please contribute to any and all children and youth and family-focused organizations, including the Alaska Children's Trust. An investment in us or an investment in any one of the programs and organizations is truly an investment in our future. Because let's remember, children are our number one resource. They are our future.